How to select and copy text from an image on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on gallery app. Now here, so click on image. So after click on image, you will see T icon is showing here, so click on T icon. So after click on T icon, so you will select line from here. So after selecting, click on select all. So after selecting, click on copy. So after click on copy, go back to home screen and click on WhatsApp. Now here, so just click and hold on screen and click on paste. You will see your text is paste. So after the process, click on this three dot icon and you will see your note is saved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can select and copy text from an image on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.